The manual as usual. I'm not going to read it, and it comes with a charger. Say charger. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Valkyrie. Yes, it's today again with unboxing. You know how you do it, right? So you first unbox this one, the microphones, and now we are coming to unbox a different thing. Guess what? I don't know what you are guessing, but your guesses are right. Okay, so we are coming to unbox new gadgets. Okay, for my content. So I started this content creating thing, Charlie, with Vibes and Inshallah, and Charlie, through your support, you guys sharing my videos, liking, watching, Charlie, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. So through your support, then things, Charlie, yes, I can see some improvement and things. So we first got mic and we unboxed it. If you want to check out the video, you can check it. I'll leave the link in the description. And now we are coming to unbox a different thing. I don't know what you are guessing. So this is from Jumia. Charlie, Jumia people, like, they have to pay me because I'm being a pet for them. So this is from Jumia. Can you see? Jumia with cats. Then Charlie, so I like to pick it up, and since you guys have been in this journey together, I have to unbox it. Like, I have to unbox so that you guys see what's going on, right? So let's unbox it together. So you guys, the other unboxing that I did, I used bread knife, and I can see some people coming after me in the comment section that, hey, Valkyrie, so why are you using bread knife? Don't you have scissors? So today I decided to use blade. Yes. So let's see what is inside. Jumia. Yeah. So you guys, Charlie, you guys have been amazing. Charlie, super amazing. Hey, Charlie, you have been supporting me. Yes, so basically I bought two things. It was two products that I ordered: the tripod, the 40 centimeters one, and a selfie stick. So you know, I've been doing vlogs, right? So I'll be using the selfie stick for the vlogs, and very soon I'll be hitting your campuses, I'll be hitting your halls, I'll be hitting, Charlie, I'll be coming to your schools, you get it, for street interviews. So I did a poll on my page and my YouTube page that you guys want more vlogs or you guys want more interviews, and the answer that came was crazy. You guys want interviews, right? So I'll be coming to your halls, Charlie, the traditional halls, the Ujel, Charlie, Legon. I'll be coming to your halls, and to the other schools, Charlie, you guys, thank you, but then I'll be coming to your schools, UCC, UG, no UG, ATU, Charlie, I'll be coming to your schools. Okay, so you don't worry, you will see me soon. Thanks for you guys for watching though. So this is the first thing. This is it. So yes, you guys can see it. So this is the first thing that I bought, right? So it's selfie stick. So I'll be using this thing for the vlogs. Yes, so it's the selfie stick, and let's see what is inside, Charlie. So it comes with a nice, Charlie, very nice. Like, I'm not going to lie, very nice. It comes with a nice home. So let's open it so you guys can see it. Yeah, selfie stick. It comes this way. So we open it like this, and it has yes, you open it like this. I don't even know how to do it though. Yeah, so that's how it works, and it has a standing ovation. So you can put it on your table, right, and have this one. So it doesn't go to 360, but then you can take the picture here or whatever here. So there's it, guys. It's very cute and nice. Yes, you can do it like this. You can stretch it or shake it or something. And I see this one. So you can do it like this, and you can put your phone inside. So you put your phone here and do it like this. And they have this light, but I don't know how you turn it on. I don't even know how you turn the light on. But then yes, so this is what we got for the first item, and it has adjustable something. You can adjust it, Charlie. It can go left and right. So if you are an upcoming content creator and you want selfie stick, you can go and purchase one. It's very affordable then thing. So as usual, Jumia. So you can also go and purchase one then use it. So I'll be using this one for my vlogs and things. Charlie, I've seen some blue lights before here. Yeah, so it's very I don't know how to turn on this light, but then I'll figure it out. The manual is here. I'll read the manual. So it's very nice. Yes, it's a manual. That's how you're going to do it. So you put your phone here and you use it. Yes, so this is the first item. Charlie is the first item. This content creating thing, the first item that you're looking at. So let's go on to the second item. Okay, so it's very nice. I'll be using it. So let's move on to the second item. So since I bought this selfie stick, it's very small, so it's also portable, so I can use it to go to many places or things, like use it for my vlogs basically, right? And yeah, so this is the cover. And the second item, that one is big, Papa, so you guys can see. This is it, right? Let's get it. Sorry, I have the blade here. So you guys can see, like, it's very big. Yeah, so this is the second item that I bought. It's very affordable. So it is tripod 3110. Yes, it is tripod 3110. Tripod. You know tripod, right? So this one too, you can use it as tripod because it has 3A. You can just put it there or something. And this one too, you can pull it. Yes, you can pull it. See, is that one? Yes, you can pull it. So you can do like this. Yes, so you can pull it and you can pull it back and you can pull it in. So this is the tripod. Tripod. So let's see what is inside. Wow. So it comes with, apologies. So it comes with its bag, like it's a very nice bag. I mean, it comes with its bag, is the bag. So let's see. Wow. Hey, things the inside. So it comes with a bag. It comes with this one. First of all, relax. Let me put your things here. So it comes with a phone holder. Yes, it's adjustable, so you can just adjust it, right? A phone holder. And it comes with, I don't want to call it remote, but then it comes with a remote. Yes, it's a wireless remote. And the selfie stick, it's a selfie stick. And the tripod itself, yes, it's very nice. It's aluminium. So you can see the skin. It's unrustable. And this one is 40 centimeters, right? So yeah. So there is it. Wait. I want to adjust it. I want to adjust it so that you guys can see. So you can use it as a AR, so you can put it on the table. But then if you want to adjust it, you can just adjust it to it. I don't know why this thing is not opening, but then yeah. So this is it, right? So you can adjust it to its length, its height. Sorry. So it's 40 centimeters, right? So I don't know how you do this thing, but then I'll read the manual and figure it out. So this one and this one, all for my content creating journey. So I'll be using this as selfie like vlogs and things, and this one like you can just, I'm coming, let me, yeah. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Very very nice. I was trying to say demure, but then yeah, so you can put it on the table, then Charlie, this thing crap. Yes, so guys, thank you so much for watching. So I got this and I got that too, right? So you're looking forward to get more vlogging or more content creating gadgets like lightning, sound like gadgets, then other things. So I'll be bringing you back to back, right? But then for now, you have the mic, you have this one, and you have this one for our content creating. I know you guys have been supporting me, so for our content creating something. So guys, let's take and stay, be with me so that I'll be able to get more vlogging or content creating. I think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. My name is Bawa Bye bye.